In this video, we will show you how to use settings for assignments in Simplylearn. Go to your assignment and click Settings. Firstly, if you want the course participants to previously have completed another assignment, search for the right assignment in the search bar. Let me go through the most important settings. Passing score. The standard setting for this is 80%, which means that the course participant need to have at least 80% correct answers to successfully complete the assignment. If you do not want any requirements to pass, set it to 0. You can also limit or restrict the number of assignment retakes. Require all questions to be answered and choose a time limit. If you do not want the Start Assignment button to appear, but for the questions to appear right away, tick this box. By standard, the questions will appear one at a time, but if you want them all to be shown at the same time or have a set amount on each page, you can make those settings here. Now over to the settings for result page display. You can choose to show messages to course participants based on the number of correct answers they have. In this example, the participant will receive this message if getting between 0 and 80% correct, and if they have 80 or more, they will get this one. Further, you can adjust what's being shown in the result display. If the assignment you have created is not based on right or wrong, it's an open essay or a feedback perhaps, then you could turn off all these settings, like overall score, number of correct answers, and correct incorrect messages and marks. If you have more questions, you could always click these question icons. They give you a short explanation. It's easy to create assignments with Simplylearn.